What's going on, guys? Dave back again, and I thought I'd make a quick video because I'm seeing a rash of videos popping up again on YouTube about how to be successful on YouTube, how to get your first 100 subscribers, how to this, how to that. I know it's dark, it's almost midnight, I'm restless, I'm stuck on my couch with a broken leg, so I thought I would put this up, and I'm trying to be quiet because wifey is asleep upstairs. But how do you get those quotas, and how do you be successful on YouTube? Well, unless you get a viral video, you're not going to be super successful right off the bat. My suggestion would be upload. Just make a video, upload it. 2 minutes, 4 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever it is. I know I haven't been consistent here recently, but if you have something that's interesting, you know, sometimes it's more important to get those 20, 30 people, really, Tigger? It's important to get those 20, 30 people that become your fans and your friends that always show up to watch your videos than having 3 million that no one really pays any attention to you do videos. You know, bring something to your audience that they will enjoy, that is useful. You know, content, whether it's a kit building or it's a how-to or things like that. Yes, my channel is all over the place. That's one of the reasons I changed the channel from Gunplowmeister into Dave's World, is because I review this and that and motorized skateboards, and I've got a bunch of stuff to modify it to show you guys, and kit building and minis and everything else. You know, I'm all over the place, and I like experiencing that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy that too. But yeah, that's my one suggestion. Just bring something to the table, guys, that people will enjoy, that you enjoy doing, and you can do on a regular basis. As usual, guys, I will see you guys all in the next video. I am going to see about maybe setting up doing some live streaming, since I've got some time here alone at the house during the day, and doing some of that and a lot more video work once I don't have to worry about putting my foot up for a majority of the time of the day. I will see you guys all in the next video. As usual, peace out, YouTube.